Hi, this is Michael Doctorman, and I want to talk to you about reporting claims. It's really important that whenever a claim occurs, you report it immediately. Even if you're not sure if it's a claim, pick up the phone and call your broker and describe the circumstances of what happened. Your broker's job is to help you identify covered causes of loss if they exist, so that in fact your claim can be paid. So call immediately. Another little hint, something that goes wrong in hard drives, the typical response is to immediately pull them out and mail them back to the manufacturer, such as Dell. Remember that your carrier has a right to inspect. The moment you pull parts out of something that is broken or not working and send them off to some third party, you've taken away the carrier's right to inspect, and that can take away your right to get paid. So make that call immediately. Take pictures. Pictures are very, very important. It helps us understand exactly what was there at the time of the accident.